In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for a GoHighLevel free trial. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click, what to fill out, and what to expect so you can start your trial without any confusion. First, open your web browser and go to your usual search engine. In the search bar, type GoHighLevel and hit enter. You should see the official GoHighLevel website appear near the top of the results. Make sure you're clicking on the official site, not an ad or a third-party page that looks similar. Once you've found it, click through to open the homepage. On the GoHighLevel homepage, look for the option that mentions the free trial. This is typically labeled something like 14-day free trial and is usually highlighted as a main call to action button. Click on that button. This is what starts the sign-up process for your trial account. After clicking, you'll be taken to a sign-up or registration page where you'll need to fill in your details. Here, you'll be asked for basic information such as your name, email address, and a secure password. Take your time and make sure everything is typed correctly, especially your email, since that's where you'll receive important messages about your account. You may also be asked for details about your business, such as your company name or website. Fill these out as accurately as you can so the platform can be tailored to your needs. In the next steps, GoHighLevel will ask you to enter your card details to activate the free trial. This is standard practice for many software trials. Carefully enter your billing information, making sure the card number, expiration date, and security code are correct. The important thing to note is that you will not be charged during the trial period as long as you cancel before the trial ends. If you're worried about forgetting, set a reminder on your calendar a few days before the trial expires so you can decide whether to continue or cancel. Once your details are entered, simply follow the on-screen prompts. The site will guide you through confirming your account, setting up your login credentials if needed, and taking you into your new dashboard. Just keep clicking next or continue and complete any short forms or confirmations it shows you. And that's it. You've now learned how to sign up for a GoHighLevel free trial and you're ready to start exploring the platform.